Hey everyone, Matt here in Forza Horizon 5 in my favorite car of all time, a custom third generation Corvette. I've got this really cool trick I want to show everybody. I just discovered it, so hang on real quick. We have to jump this plane. This is so cool. Okay, here it comes. Ah, crap! What the? What? Not sure what just happened, but we're going with this. Start this thing. Okay. A little more power than okay. Deep breaths, man. Deep breaths. Nice and easy. That's a highway. All right, let's see what this thing can do. Oh, man. Oh, I'm shaking. Bye-bye, baby. Oh, I better not get carried away. There are police in the real world. But man, I want to go for it. Alright, let's test cornering. Oh, you're going so slow. Why are you going so slow? Alright, cornering take 2. Oh, this is gonna be give me a semi and some cars ahead of me. Oh, here we go. Oh, just kidding, officer. Just kidding. Nothing to see here. Okay, with all that out of the way, wanted to bring my car pet project to the channel. This is my 1982 C3 Corvette. I've been doing a lot of restoration work, modification. If you know anything about Corvettes, especially C3s, especially the late model C3s, they were a bit neutered. As a result of emission laws in the States, it was not a fast vehicle. It's not the stock motor anymore. It has a Chevy 350 dropped in, custom built, tuned. Last we checked, it was about 376 horsepower. As you can see, it goes. I have always loved the third generation Corvette, and when I had the opportunity to buy this, I couldn't pass it up. As silly as it might sound, this is my dream car. I hope everyone enjoyed this video. I wanted to have a little bit of fun introducing my other toy project to the channel. And you know, it's about to go under the knife for a few times for some upgrades, for some restoration, some modification. And I've got permission from the shop to film on location. So expect a few videos like that. Really want to try and get it out to one of the racetracks around this summer, just to do a little bit of a track day, see how it does on the drag strip, and just really want to have some fun on the side with this one. With that, I think I'm gonna get out of here. Just stopped in a gas station to get my favorite fuel additive. Put it right in the tank here. Just kidding. As always, make it a great day. Don't take life too seriously, and we'll see you in the next video.